Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and last year I had a wonderful trip with some friends over to Paris, and then we went all the way south and into Italy and came back from Rome, and it was a wonderful trip. I finally got to see the Eiffel Tower, and we walked all over Paris. In fact, the little memorabilia up here about the Fitbit, my friend and I did over 29,000 steps that day. It was quite an adventure. But anyway, I've created some very fun stamps that I think you will enjoy. And as you can see here, there's a map of Paris, and also your stamp set and a die set that you can see here that will allow you to have a lot of fun with a lot of mix and match options. So here's our tower. We've got some beautiful blossoms, a little line of trees. All these different pieces will let you use them in a lot of different ways for journals, card making, scrapbooking, anything. So over here, let's see, I did it a couple different ways. Sometimes just adding a bit of color to that background map is kind of fun. Here's a couple different cards where you get some beautiful color schemes, large, square format, or any different size. And here's a very simple but very effective look with just the black and white. It all comes together very fun. Here we have a beautiful journal that's been decorated in so many interesting ways. And you can see lots of fun application for all of your different stamps and ephemera pieces. So if you can't get to Paris yourself, you can have a lot of fun stamping and pretending you're on your way or you've just come back.